Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala, I am SEBI certified research analyst. I am welcome you all to my YouTube channel Trail and Traders, and I am thankful to you all those who are subscribed my channel and those who are following with me. And I am requesting you to or anyone who new to my YouTube channel kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. On our last video, we are seeing about Nifty option strategy, which my view on the Nifty is bearish. So my view on the bearish, so I do the strategy with the put options, right? So we have taken the risk reward ratio which very clear manner. So what I'm going to take the risk and reward ratio, everything was very clear in the way. So this is the level where I seen. So now again I'm thinking that the Nifty will be bearish. Okay, so you understand. So Nifty, I'm expecting the bearishness in the Nifty. So using the bearish, so what are the strategies and what are the option strategies which we can apply in the live market? So very effective manner. So how we can going to make profit when the market even it happens our direction, so we are going to make a good profit. In case if it not happens, we are going to lose something. Okay, so smaller amount compared to our expected profit. So that is a strategy which we can apply in option strategies that always give you better and good result. Okay, now the Nifty is trading 9282. So what I'm expecting, Nifty is daily moving around 200 points or 150 points up or down. So in this scenario, which I was taking the Nifty as my downside, my expected is down for the Nifty for this expiry contract, the weekly options, while I'm going to trade in Nifty weekly options. So the Nifty, last video we are taking the strategy with by put options, using selling and buying the put options to make a strategy. So this video I'm going to tell you the same bearish view about the Nifty, where I'm going to take the call option strategies. Call option strategy. So how I am going to do the call option strategy, which I can apply in Nifty, then what should be the margin and how should be the best probability which I am going to take the positions. Okay, here now Nifty was trading, the spot price is 9282. Then because while I'm taking the spot price and future price not a big difference, the spot is 9282 and the future was trading 9304. So somewhere around some 12 20 somewhere 18 20 points is the difference between the future and the spot price. So now, so my expectation is downside. I am expecting another 200 points down or 300 400 points down in the Nifty, or it maybe goes up also the same like that 400 500. But what I am expected in the upside, the same thing will I am expected against to me, that is on the downside. If I view a bearish, when the market goes up, it is against to me, right? So here what I'm going to do using the call option, the call option strategies with the call, last videos I already told you, last video we discussed about using the put option. So the call option, so what are the strike prices? 9200 is the nearest strike price, and then 9100, which I'm going to take for the study purpose. So these two strike prices which are taken, 9100 and 9200. So how I can apply this strategy and what should be my risk reward ratio and what should be the probability and everything we will decide. These are the strike price which I'm going to. So when the market is going down, the call price will goes down. Okay, so the option where in the deep in the money options were higher the premium compared to the out of the money option. So we are selling to receive the premium, so we will sell the lower strike price and buy the higher strike price compared to 9100, having more premium compared to 9200. So once we sold both the options, sold selling and buying, so what should be our probability, what should be the risk reward ratio? So here I'll go for a 9100. I'm going to sell the call option, so let's do that. 9100, I've taken this strike price 9100, I'm going to sell it here. Okay, so if I sell the naked options having unlimited risk, right? So here you see that if I sell a naked options, my maximum profit for the trade is around 19,300, but if you check, my risk for the trade is up to somewhere around 9,300, sorry, unlimited. My risk is unlimited and my break even is when the Nifty it's trading right now. Whenever it crosses above that break even of 9357, it gives me a loss, and if it is comes down below 9357, my profit should be started. So to develop this strategy, you see that the premium, the margin required for the trade is for 1,47,000. It's a margin, so it's a quite higher margin. To using my option strategy, how I reduce my risk. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the buy position of 9200. 9200 call option, just do that. 9200 call option, which I am going to add a long position. So that will reduce my premium, as well as it will reduce my risk, and it gives you some recent return. Now you see that to add this position as a long, my margin should be quite decreased. Initially my margin, while I'm shorting a naked trade, my margin also high. What is my margin? It's around 1.4 lakhs is my margin while I'm taking the naked strategy. So using this hedging strategy, another option which I added, now my margin is around 69,000. If I was doing this strategy, now my cost price is little bit lower, around 9,175 is the cost price. Whenever Nifty spot price is breaking below that level, my position is going to make profit. Okay, and the net credit for the trade is plus 5,000. We already, this is a credit strategy, it's not a debit strategy. We are selling higher premium, buying lower premium, and you see the risk for the trade is 1,800, almost 2,000, but my reward for the trade is 5,600, and 85,600 is my reward. So if you check this risk reward ratio, the 1 part of risk which will give you 3 part of reward. So last video we are discussing about 3 strategies, that each and every strategy having the risk of 3,000 and 2,000, like that. So here also the risk, but my view on the stock or view on the index is clearly down. When I know the trend, so I can apply this kind of hedging strategy, will give you more profitability and more uh, um, promising trades. So here you see that the probability of profit is 37%. Why? Because of right now market is trading, but I know, or I'm predicting the direction of the stock or index. So that will give you, once my direction is happen, I'm going to make some good amount. If the direction is not happen, I'm going to lose this much of money. But even though here this trade which gives you a nice result once you your direction happen, and when the maximum profit you can expect up to 9,000, 9,080 or 9,100 level, you will be getting the maximum profit of this trade. Okay, but whenever market reaches below that particular point of 9,175, you are going to start making your profit. So these are the strategy which we can predict your direction. So once you know the direction, you can pick it out these option strategies that will give you nice and more good profits. So I think, hope you understand, and even you can change the same strategy with the higher strike prices, that even it will give you more profitability. For example, instead of selling 9,200 call, if I'm going to sell 9,300, okay, it's currently trading that as a ATM options, right? Because the market is trading around 9,282. So now I'm do that 9,300 where it is trading. Let's do that. What is the closing price? It will update you. So it's loading right now. Let's wait. And selling buying 9,300, the same time we will try to sell 9,200. That will give you. So here we will do that with the 9,200 and 9,100. Another options, we will go for a 9,300 and 9,200. So some 2 to 3 legs if you do, means sure shot will be going to make more money on this kind of trading strategy. So here what we are going to do, that here you are going to buy you are going to buy sell 9,200, buy 9,300 call options. But this directional view is downtrend. So what I'm expecting, there will be a down in the trend. So let's do that. It's loading big. I think it's updating. Okay, so go to the option strategies. So you use best option analyzing platform, so with the free of cost, so you'll use. So this time I will go for a 9,300 call option, which I'm going to buy over here. Okay, and the same time 9200 I'm going to sell. Let's do that. I think something issue going on this website, or maybe my internet maybe issue. Let's wait. Yes, the issue is solved now. So here I'll add again 9200 call option, which I'm going to sell. Now I'm going to add the position. So let's say what is the profitability. You see that there will be chances 3200 is my risk, and reward for the trade is 4200. It's near about 5% risk and 6% profit using the capital of 68,000. So now I'm going to do with some in the money options, because my view is downside. So if I do the strategy with the 9200 and 100 options, so we have limited risk and maximum profit. If you are doing checking this kind of trade strategies daily basis, you will find some good opportunities so in trading. So that's about my video. If you have any other questions, you can contact me on the WhatsApp or Telegram, which I given in the description. And if you are not yet subscribed my channel, kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.